What's up YouTube? Anthony coming in with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all my videos. So in this video, I'm very excited to share that I'm actually going to do a giveaway. We recently just hit 6,000 subscribers and I'm very pumped. Honestly, I didn't think anybody was going to subscribe to me when I started YouTube. Honestly, when I started in the very beginning, I thought I'd probably gain maybe 100 subscribers a year. I thought YouTube was just a myth, and I didn't think people actually gained subscribers. But anyways, more importantly, I want to share with you some big updates coming towards the channel and how I'm moving the channel and my outlook moving forward for the rest of the year and coming into 2019 for my YouTube channel. Make sure to stay to the end of this video because I have a big update for everybody. Also, giveaway. So let's dive right in.
Believe me, pain's a small thing to a giant. I was born without a dime. Out the gutter I climbed, spoke my mind and
So with the very first update, I want to talk about exactly the direction I want to move this channel into. So over the last couple months, I've been doing affiliate marketing, I've been doing e-commerce, and I've been doing a couple other business models. But with affiliate marketing, it's such a broad spectrum. There's paid advertising, there's free traffic, but with paid advertising specifically is what I want to focus on. But underneath that umbrella, there's native ads, there's pop traffic, there's social media, there's search traffic. And the list goes on with what type of affiliate marketing campaigns you can actually build from scratch. So moving forward with the channel, what I actually want to do, I've actually been working very closely with my training course students and my students going through my affiliate marketing course. Now, more importantly, moving forward with the channel, what I'm actually going to do is start spacing out my videos. And what I mean by that is I actually want to go over different topics. Now, for example, I want to go over native advertising. There's rev content, and I want to start setting up campaigns where you guys can watch the campaigns and actually give you guys some tips and insights if you want to run with native traffic or if you want to run with Bing. So each week I'll just start off with a new affiliate marketing topic. So for example, next week it could be Bing ads, or I could go over Bing affiliate offers. I could go over some landing pages that are working well on Bing. And then I can just go into different spectrums of that affiliate marketing business. Now, if it's adult traffic, I can set up a campaign and show you guys exactly what I'm doing with adult traffic and some pros and cons that you can even think about if you want to run that. But more importantly, I want to go through different affiliate marketing business models. It's all affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, but bring some more fresh content to the channel. I love what I'm doing with the channel already, but there's so many different avenues of affiliate marketing. So one audience, you guys may like Facebook advertising. Another audience may want to see some native advertising. So I figure I'll mix it up. Now also, people have been asking me, Anthony, can you show some free traffic strategies? Because what it takes with affiliate marketing is you have to build up an income to run paid advertising. So one of these weeks, I'm actually going to finally cover a little bit of free traffic and some real methods that you could implement if you were on a shoestring budget, you know, $100, $300, $150, and you could implement these tactics to scale up to run paid advertising. Now next, I want to say a giveaway. So if you made it this far in the video, the first giveaway, I want to say that I want you guys to comment below this video, and I'm going to choose a random commenter from this video as a 6,000 subscriber giveaway and give you a free one-on-one 30-minute coaching call with me. So just make sure to be alert because I love doing live streams. Doing these videos where I record, then I go edit it. I prefer to do live streams. One, I can help a lot more people, reach a lot more people on live streams, and two, I really don't like editing. Editing feels like, to me, it takes forever. Something I could outsource, but at the end of the day, I feel like I'm so particular on what I want and where I feel I mess up at and going over it with someone else, and unless they know affiliate marketing in and out, they may not know what I want blurred out or any of the mistakes I make along my video. Time will come, but anyways, so comment below and I'll enter you in on a giveaway for a coaching call. Now the next big update is that I'm going to be hosting a webinar pretty soon, so make sure to be looking underneath this video and my up and coming videos for my future webinar where I'm going to be giving away a done for you campaign and sharing with you what I did exactly on that campaign. Full review. So you're going to see my ad, you're going to see my Facebook page, you're going to see everything with that. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and I'm actually probably most excited about that. And then the turn I'm taking the channel into was going over different affiliate marketing businesses. Maybe I'll go over a little bit of affiliate marketing and SEO, which I do not like. I feel that that business model takes too long. A lot of people like it. I'm not a big fan of it, but I will go over that in the upcoming videos, future weeks of the channel. Now, lastly, I just want to say thank you to all the subscribers who have been here since day one, who have been watching my channel go, whether you joined in at 2,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers. When I very first started YouTube, I didn't think anybody was going to watch. I was doing Twitch stream probably about 2 years ago, year and a half ago, playing League of Legends, playing video games, and trying to stream and make an income that way while working full time. Obviously, that never panned out. I got about 50 subscribers. I made some montage clips, but it's never good enough to actually make it a full-time business. And now that I think back on it, that if I had the marketing experience that I have now and try to dive into that, I could probably get it to work based off of everything that I know now. But anyways, stay tuned for future videos. Hit that notification bell also to be notified when I release my next video. So anyways, thank you for taking the time to watch this video and have a great day.
I was just starving in them apartments. This shit feel like yesterday. I was just going to sleep on some cotton. This shit feel like yesterday. I ran my bands up and know I'm not sorry, so I ain't feeling like yesterday. Niggas saying they gon' rob me. I heard the same shit yesterday.